Hi everyone, I got a new toy this weekend. It's a Gerber Crucial Multi-tool. Very nice. It's got a crosshead screwdriver and flat blade screwdriver. Each item has spring locks, so to close it, push it to one side and then it'll fold back up. And that's everything. The main blade's the same. See, there's the lock. Goes up. A good feature of this is you actually get like a carabiner on it, so you can actually hang it from your rucksack at the front, or you got the old belt clip put on your belt. And of course, as with most multi-tools, the customary set of pliers. There you go. The Gerber Crucial Multi-tool. Thanks for watching.